Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, we will do an exercise and we will import some media and then edit it. So we will import some audio and video clips that we will edit it. So we have these videos and audio. Let me import this and we will edit this with sound. I will do a simple edit so that you can understand how the software works. I will just drag and drop these in the project panel. Let me import 3 of them. So after importing these, first of all, I have this audio. Let me drag this to layer panel. And we don't need to change the composition. So now you can hear the audio. That we have imported. So we will edit this with the sync of the video. So we have our videos. Let me also drag these videos to the layer panel. Let me set it to the top of the layer and then put another clip on the top of the layer, and with the beat we will change the clip. I think let me do one thing first. We can adjust our audio and videos in the timeline panel. After that you can hear this. So when the beat drops, we will make a cut, and after the 2 seconds we will make a cut. So firstly I will make a cut on the top of the clip. Because we only take this clip once, you know the shortcut that is Ctrl plus Shift plus T. And then I will delete the top layer. Now you can see that when the beat drops, let me adjust the layer a little bit, and now it's perfect. I will make a cut here also. With the second clip, here the beat drops on the 4 seconds. We have to make another cut. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus T and then delete the upper layer. You can see that. So now it looks more interesting when the video changes with the beat. After that, let's put another layer on the another beat, and I will duplicate the second clip. Just drag it to another clip and you can see that. You can also adjust your clip layer. Here the beat drops, then adjust the layer according to the beat drops. So this is how you can edit your videos according to your audio or with a beat. Changing the clips according to the beat. Now you can see the final output. Let me play this in full resolution. It's a little bit laggy because videos are in 4K. Just change it to quarter again. So this is how you can make a simple video. This is the simple method to make the video. In the future, we will go brief about it. In the next topic, we will talk about folders and organization. So let's jump into the next topic. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.